Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneS.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm showing you Onion Browser. It's an application that uses the Tor network to actually protect your privacy online. An application like this, you're going to have a different IP. Sites are not going to be able to track you. You can disable active content. You get user agent spoofing, so you can make sure that people can't easily realize that you're using an iPhone and iPad. And you can also block cookies if you like. So it's more about keeping people from tracking you online. So it's going to take you 20 seconds when you start the applications to have it configured to use Tor. Now, it's not always going to be fast, so keep that in mind. Let's just go with a site that I can actually say that's pretty fast. So let's just go with something simple. Uh, until that comes, you actually see the bookmarks that I have. So very simple browser. You have your settings again. You can change your browser settings. You can block active content. You can block and allow cookies. You have the spoofing feature, HTTP tunnel pipelining, and also do not track. I don't want to use current location. So Yahoo is trying to get my location and I say no. So simple user interface. It's not the flashiest browser and it's not the fastest, but keep in mind, keeping your privacy, if it's important to you, the speed, the compromise that you have to make as far as the speed goes, it's not going to be a whole lot. So, and a lot of people who use these solutions and are aware of that, obviously in a perfect world, you not have to sacrifice any speed and get the privacy features that you like. But if you don't want to get tracked, or if you're doing something online that you want to get tracked, we're not judging. So whatever it is, you can use an application like this to make sure you're not traced online. And you obviously have the settings again, your bookmarks. You can add new ones if you like, or get rid of them. And there's some simple tools here. DuckDuckGo, we covered that as well. It's an anonymous search engine. So a lot of good stuff here. And as far as the performance goes, again, it's not my favorite, but it's not a deal breaker. As far as the browser settings go, again, just to cover it, so you have your home page, you can change it easily. You have your active content. I have it all enabled. As far as cookies goes, I only block third-party cookies. As far as the spoofing goes, I'm not using that, but I could if I want it, and just say, I'm using Mac OS X. And HTTP pipelining, you have to disable it if you're having some performance issues. And the do not track header, I can opt out of tracking. Let's just do that. So this is an application if you're trying toward. There are other tools that you can use. Obviously, I think there's a box that you can get. It's called SafePlug, I believe, that also uses Tor network. You just have to connect it to your router, and then you can use your mobile device or your computer with Tor network to keep yourself anonymous or protect some privacy online, so and not get tracked. So I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please go to iPhoneS.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. We are going to cover Tor and browsers that use it and tools that are available for it on our site in the future. So stay tuned. Thanks again for watching, guys.